Premium captions don't happen by accident. Let me walk you through the exact process I use to create viral captions in CapCut. It starts with choosing the right font and color combination, because that is where the premium look is born. Without wasting much of your time, let's proceed right into the video. We already have our video in the timeline. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to Caption. After going to Caption, click on Generate. After generating the caption, go under text. Here you can format the caption to your liking. I'm going to leave the font style at 16. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to make the caption stay on a separate line. Before you do that, go under caption. Then you're going to take the cursor to where you want the caption to end. Then you're going to hit enter. You can see that we already have our caption on two different lines. So the next thing we're going to do is add animation. To do that, we're going to go under text. But before you do that, make sure your playhead is at the beginning of the caption. Then scroll down a bit until you see transform. Then go to drop a keyframe on transform. Scroll down a bit again. Then you drop another keyframe on opacity or blend. Yeah, same thing. Now you're going to move about 20 to 25 frames forward. Then you're going to drop another keyframe on transform and opacity. Then after dropping the second keyframe, staying selected on the second keyframe, you're going to go back to the first keyframe. Click on this arrow, it will take you to the first keyframe. Then, after going to the first keyframe, we are going to adjust the position of the caption. You can either take it downward or upward, but make sure you adjust the position. So I'm going to take this one down. Then, after adjusting the position like that, scroll down a bit until you see opacity. We are going to turn the opacity down to 0. So the next thing we are going to do now, we are going to make it more smooth. Right click to do all presets. The preset curve is open. You are going to select either ease in or ease out, but I'm going to use ease for this video. So the next thing we want to do is create compound clip, Alt plus G from your keyboard. After creating the compound clip, we are going to duplicate our clip. Watch and see how I do it. Take your playhead to the beginning of the compound clip. To duplicate our clip, go to mask. You can either use the film strip option or the rectangle, but I'm going to use the film strip for this, whichever one. Then next, take our playhead to the beginning of the compound clip again. Then you're going to move about 3 to 4 frames forward. Then hold the Alt key. Then drag the compound clip upward like this to make a duplicate copy. So after making a duplicate copy, we are still going to mask. Then we're going to select our next word, which is caption, like this. Then repeat the process. And by the time you play it, we'll have this nice caption in animation. After that, we're going to highlight all the captions together and create a compound clip so that our timeline will not be messy. Right click, create compound clip. So after creating the compound clip, go to effects, search for glue tool and add it to get that premium look. After that, you're going to adjust the preset, the glow and the size. Keep the glow around and the size around 10 also.